Sanibonani-ke ma-Bongiwe Ndlovukazi, ngiza nendaba wona uzanani nendlebe yo umngani wethu uyangenela lana uthi Bongiwe ukade ngipressurize ukuthi ngiqole story, but ke finally today is the day ukuthi sixoxe story samngani wethu, sinitshela ukuthi umngani wethu udatana no-Ben 10. Umngani wethu ufuna ucela i-advice kahle kahle ukuthi enene ufuna nimtshele ukuthi ayenze kanjani lento lena. Uthi so Bongiwe, I've been nje ngingadate nje for such a long time and ngizitshela ukuthi nje, you know what, I'm content with my decision of not dating amadoda because bengisafuna ukuthi ngihlanganise impilo yami and figure myself out and ngiphume emjolweni onzima. So yini bengifuna ukuthi ngithole ukuthula ngiphumule. Okay, umngani wethu ma reasons akhe afair ngiyam-understand mina. Bese umngani wethu uthi hi Bongiwe, kuthi ngelinye ilanga nje ngihlangane nalo my guy is gorgeous, stunning, muhle guy, hot for days. Niyazi umfana makamuhle guys, abe muhle umfana uyaba muhle nje. Uthi umngani wethu ke umfana ke wemuhleke, uthi abese umfana amshele ugeli umngani wethu athi ngeke lingani incane avume nje ukuthi imshele athi guy, we're going to go out for drinks, and athi but lingani incane, but ke they ended up going out for drinks. But then later abese eyamlukhuza amzibe, angakhulumi naye, angasho lutho kuyena nje, amghost nje umngani wethu. Usho ukuthi ghosta nje umfana lo because umngani wethu uyabona ukuthi cha incane. Okay, uthi ngimghost Bongiwe, yazi mangimghost umfana angithumelela ama message angisamphenduli. Kuthi ngelinye ilanga because now ungitshelile ukuthi uGayi uhlala kweyiphi neighborhood, so I know where he stays. Uthi ngifuna indawo, I'm trying to put my life together, impilo yami nje ihlakanisuki and ngizama ukuyihlanganisa. Uthi bese ngifuna indawo ngithole ngakwi neighborhood yalo mfana lona. Uthi mangithola indawo kwi neighborhood yalo mfana lona ngithole, bese ngiyambuza ukuthi uthi bese like nami ke ngiyazama ukuthi manje ngifaka amakhethini endlini, ngiya decorate, you know, I'm trying to, impilo ibihlangahlangene but manje ngiyazama ukuyihlanganisa, kuyabheda umsebenzi ngapha, you know, kuningi nje ongekho right. Kodwa ke yikho ngithi angimfuni umuntu empilweni yami because ngizama ukuhlanganisa impilo la, uyayizwa lonto. Uthi and then but then I realize ukuthi lo guy lo wathi uhlala around kule area leni, awuthi ngimfonele ngimbuza ukuthi akekho nomuntu omaziyo who can help me ukuthi ngifake ikhethini into this apartment engihlala kuyona. Now like someone that I can pay nje quickly ongabizi kakhulu. uGayi ngimfonele, ngihleli nomngani wami la, umngani wami uyangisiza ke, we busy decorating and cleaning the house and you know to make sure ukuthi le ndawo sihlala kuyona umqasho right. Uthi bese ngimfonele uGayi, sihleli nomngani nami ke siyenza la, ngifonela uGayi ngimbuza ukuthi akekho nomuntu omaziyo ongakwazi ukuthi and then angisize, I've just moved in around your area and ngifuna into kanje. Uthi uGayi abesithi no, ngizokusiza mina, athi akekho umuntu engimaziyo but mina ngizokwazi ukuza lapho as we speak ngizokusiza. Uthi umngani wethu atshela umngani wakhe, athi umngani wakhe miyekele because uthi mina I didn't want the guy to come. Uthi athi miyekele azosiza, it's like usizo lamahala and also uyalidinga, like yekela uGayi eze nangampela uGayi eze. Uthi afika alifaka umfana ikhethini, umfana alifaka ikhethini, alifaka umfana ikhethini, umfana ufit, umfana unomzimba, umfana una six pack lapha nalapha yana, uneyindawo ezinhle zokubambelela umfana. Uthi umngani wethu azitshele nje ukuthi no man, this guy is too young for me, you know, angeke ngikwazi ukujula nalo bhuti. Umngani wakhe uthi uGayi masihambile sibafakelile abesethi ke so sizobonana later or I will call you later. Athi uGayi, athi uGayi okay. Masihambile uGayi bese beyasala benomngani, umngani amconvince umngani wethu ukuthi umngani wethu ujola naye lo mfana muhle lo mfana and akabukeki engathi uyingane, ubukeke engathi umuntu osekhulile nje. I don't think there's a problem. Uthi angiconvince umngani wami nangempela ngijole naye umfana muhle, umfana uthi umfana muhle, yihle doda, I've seen the daughter is gorgeous, stunning. Yamazi umfana uthi muhle umfana. Uthi umfana then uyaqala ugeli ukuthi ngimnike i-chance ukuthi umfana okay mfana ngiyazi ukuthi umncane but I'm going to give you a chance, you know. Uthi umfana yebo umfana uyamthengela uyamgrosela like uthi akamgroseli ukuthi like it's extra dramatic because uyasebenza uthi uyamthengela ukudla kashodi like engenasisinkwa umfana uyamthengela uthi sometimes bayabonana uthi bebebonana like almost now all the time umfana umenzela yonke into uthi windoda bongiwe uthi windoda edlula abantu that have dated in his age uthi windoda emadodeni umfana uthi ke hayi nangampela umngani wethu ngijole na umfana ungenzela konke uthi ungithithisa okweqanda uthi angikazaza angijithele uthi amafoni awu2 uthi ayahlala lapha yana uma kangivakashele awaringi umfana akahluphi uthi umfana is also good in bed uthi which was a bonus but ingane nami uthi I can see that he's younger and ngamtshela masikhuluma ngokuthi enisojola ngamtshela ngathi you too young wathi umfana what's love got to do with it? Okay, wathi mncane wathi umfana hayi anginankinga mina anginankinga nje ngokuba mncane mina ngisifunela wena and ngiyakuthanda nangampela uGayi abeyiko konke ke lokho usisi she imagined in a man umfana umphethe kahle uthi umfana ke the only problem is that uGayi wayengafuni wallet wakhe uthi he never wanted me to touch his wallet or see his wallet or ukuvula nje wallet wakhe uthi mangishoda ngento uvulela yena nginika imali or makhona into engekho ahamba umfana ngithengela ukudla buye afake la endlini uthi ngiyabhadanisa until uGayi wazi wathi and then ebongiwe we need to move in together sifuna indawo ndawonye because it's going to help us ukuthi sisave imali better if we move in together uthi bonke okay ngizitshela ukuthi okay mfana sifuna indawo nomfana sifune sithole indawo uthi masithole indawo bongiwe then we started moving in together yabona set up izinto uthi I like ngiyazi ukuthi mncane kunami but it's like but he's perfect he is so perfect for me uthi nasemsebenzini sengiyaqala manje ngiyakhuluphala ngiyapick up weight uthi ngiyaglow abongiwe uthi ngiyabonakala nje ukuthi I'm happy life yena abantu umsebenzi bangibuza ukuthi and then wena why you glowing like what's going on nje bayabona ukuthi ngiyajola like everybody could see uthi but at the time ngishy because manje I can't introduce this guy to my friends because kwabanye abantu like my colleagues and everybody because uGayi ingane okay uthi bongiwe okay sihlale ke lana kube mnandi and we siyakhokha bills and we doing things together we are sharing and we doing it like in a good way and mostly okunye kukhokhelwa uyena umntwana because umntwana he's got this okay umntwana is uyiphethe lento uyithwere kamathloho uyibambe ngezandla zombili umntwana okay abese ke uthi sisike bese ngelinye ilanga umfana ushiye uwallet wakhe ukhona khona la endlini but bese ngiyawuvula lo wallet I'm trying to figure out ukuthi enene yini lento icashiswe ilengane la kulesikhwama ngifuna ukubheka mangithi ingane ke guys I'm talking about someone who is above 20 just so we clear and I'm not even promoting anything that has to do with ukujolwa kweingane I'm just telling a story njengoba umngane wathi sixoxelile okay thank you got that out of the way okay uthi umngane wethu bese checka iID yomntwana makafika kule ID yengane uyathola ukuthi umntwana uzalwe ngo1995 uthi webongiwe I thought mhlambe uzalwe like 90 or like kude uyabo kude like kude nyana like mhlambe you know 89 or some uthi ngane eka 1995 ngimbhalele ke mina umngane wethu ngimbuza ukuthi wena mngane wethu uneminyaka emingakhe ngoba akangitshela ngeminyaka ngimbhalele ngimbuza ukuthi hawu mngane wethu so if the guy uyakhala uthi he's very young kanti wena how old are you umngane wethu akangiphendulanga zangiphendule uyeza ku part 2 Ake umngane wethu uthi avule uwallet abheke kuwallet makathola kuwallet uthola ukuthi okay ingane namakhadi nayo yonke into and then uthola neID eneminyaka yayo okay uyathola ukuthi ingane izalwe ngo1995 umngane wethu the boy is young, the boy is so young. Bongiwe angithi siyakhumbula ukuthi ngembuzile ukuthi umngane wethu so how old are you kanti umngane wethu akangiphendula. So now nasi-ke istory. Umngane wethu uthe and then izolo, which was yesterday, because abasebenzi benoguy they're gonna be in one space. Uthi normally uguy usebenza ebusuku bayaphambana kahle kahle angazi ukuthi ubani between the two of them osebenza ebusuku omunye usebenza emini. Uthi after ngithole leyo ID Bongiwe, I started ignoring the guy because I was trying like uthi I feel so ashamed, man. I feel so ashamed because I'm dating somebody who's really young. So I started ignoring him and uguy uyangibuza ukuthi is everything okay, uthi mina ngisho lutho because I was still trying to process ukuthi ngane le yeah ngo 1995 uthi, and then so she was still trying to process that uthi. So now because basebenza isikhathi esingafani uthi umngane wethu kodwa now umngane wethu uthi she would go as far as stalling at work khona zomfica engasekho ekhaya. Uthi ubethi makufanele abuye emsebenzini abuye late kakhulu more than isikhathi lesi akufanele abuye ngazo ukuze baphambane noguy bangabonakali angamboni uguy. Uthi like I feel like I'm doing something wrong, I feel like I'm betraying nje motherhood and all that. Like why would I date umfana wa 1995 but umfana uyangithanda, umfana uyangithanda and he's doing everything for me and like nje uthi siya coexist man, we're doing it sobabili but umntana mncane kakhulu. Uthi so to yesterday because yesterday bangimbuza ukuthi and then uneme yamngaki umngane wethu akangiphendulanga eminyaka ungiphendula ukuthi and then so bazobe bengasebenzi today bobabili, which is Saturday namhlanje. So uzombuza umngane wethu ukuthi and then why itana naye because she's old and why did he hide his age ukuthi he is this young for her, you know. So bangani bethu because at the end of the day sidinga nina ngidinga nini support yenu ukuthi ni support umngane wethu. Umngane wethu uthi ufuna ukubuza ukuthi enene enze njani to deal with this situation. Amshiya umfana noma aqhubeka ajole naye or because ingane yona let me not say umntwana because umuntu osekhulile naye he is mature and is doing everything and umenzela yonke into ayidingayo. Okay, ngiyacela ke advise ukuthi umngane wethu enze njani. Uthi she's never found love in her life the way this guy is doing it. Uthi it's beyond ucansi, it's more about indlela akwazi ukunakekela ngayo umuntu wesifazana. Uthi the guy is really sweet and kind. Uthi he knows how to love unconditionally. Uthi ngibonge lo mfana ka cheat. Uthi angaze ngeze ngithole ngisho ifone eringayo like uthi nje he doesn't cheat, he goes to work and come back home. Like uthi that's the lifestyle we're doing. Uthi but so I want to know because today uzomconfront, so she wants to know ukuthi and then should she stop a relationship or aqhubeke naye umfana. Ucela nimnike advice before she does something that she's gonna regret. Ngiyacela ke nim advice umngane wethu. Okay, and then ngizophinde clarify because I have to clarify it. When I say ingane, I don't mean a child, I mean an adult. Okay, so please ngiyacela ukuthi nim advise umngane wethu, nimtshela ukuthi enze njani, and we're not promoting people ukuthi bajole neingane. We're just talking about stories zabantu abadala and real people aba existayo. And I don't think ukuthi umngane wethu umdala kakhulu, but I think because mina ngisibonile isithombe sakhe, but I think she's just uncomfortable in dating someone who's younger than her, like, you know, like me. Angeke ngithanda nomfana nje who's 5 years younger than me. Because why? Huh? Mina ngifuna ikhehle lina 60. Ngifuna umfana not ikhehle, oh ngifuna umfana ona 52 to 60 if I would date, or if ukhona, or if akekho. Ubonke le ndlovukazi ngiza nendaba wona uzana nini endlebe. Okay, wait before uhambe ngoba usuhamba ngiyakubona wena usufuna ucisha TV. Wena nje uyafuna ucisha TV futhi ngiyakubona usufuna nocisha ifone, usufuna ukulala ungakazilaleli zonke indaba zami. Lalela ke ngino-Instagram ubongiwe Ndlovukazi uyazwa, bese ngiba no-Facebook ipage, not my normal Facebook account. I-normal Facebook account yami angiyisebenzisi kakhulu, uzozibonela nje now. You will request a follow and I don't use that account, it's just there for the vibes. But I have a page elibizwa ngokuthi Bongiwe Indlovukazi, and ngine-page lesibili elibizwa ngokuthi Bongiwe Indlovukazi, libizwa kanje leli lesibili. Okay, singlikhohliwe, but linabantu abancane lona. So 2 pages, Bongiwe Indlovukazi and Bongiwe Indlovukazi something. You follow those pages, both of them, okay? And then bese uya subscribe. Excuse me, I don't know why always I have to burp my cord. And then you subscribe on my YouTube channel, because to me uzozithola zishisa, zivuthiwe, ziphekiwe, zibanjiwe, zine ga, okay? So subscribe on my YouTube channel, you're gonna watch ama-advert mngani wami. Ngiyazi ukuthi khona bangibuzayo ukuthi nene lezi zinto engixoxayo they are real. Angikwazi guys ukuthi ngipost igama lomuntu, because when someone comes to my TikTok angitshela istory sakhe, I have to keep them anonymous. The whole point of ngiza nendaba is to hide umngani wethu, so that singachithi imizi. Angithi vele ungiza nendaba is for that, ukuthi sifihle igama lakho, wena uza nesigaxa, mina ngiyaxoxela sona, ngikufihle igama bese ngiyasixoxela umphakathi. Angithi siyazi nje kanti why ngathi manje abantu abasazi. Ukhona umunye ongitshelile wathi lezi stories zakho lezi, I think they were coming from a good place, but I kind of got offended a little bit. Uthe, and then are you doing them for money or what? Because lezi stories zakho, we're learning a lot from them, and mina I follow you to learn, but usuwenzela imali yini. Mngani, there's nothing wrong with learning from the stories, because stories are real, they're very real. Nkosi yami, there's nothing wrong with me being paid. Mngani, kanti unenkinga yini mina mangihola futhi ukuthi enene ngixoxa indaba. Mngani, how bantu siyazama nje, sizama impilo lana, sifuna imali, shlat, you know what I mean? But I take my time and sit here on the couch and tell you stories, and I do this makeup and I look beautiful. Oh, angwafaka ngamacici, I don't like that. Kodwa ke mangirealize manje, it's okay, story sesiyaphela. So please watch ama-advert, because when you watch ama-adverts, uyangisupporta ngaleyo ndlela. Ngaleyo ndlela nami ngizokwazi ukuthi ngithole u1 cent or u2 cent, like, because it doesn't mean just because we advert wena automatically ngizohola. Uthola ukuthi ivideo engiyenzile ibukwe abantu abaningi, but I only got a cent from leyo video. You know, ngiyacela ke bangani bami, watch ama-advert, don't stop watching them. Ungayiskip i-advert, you are using Wi-Fi. And if ungakwazi ukuthi enene, if ungasebenzisi Wi-Fi usebenzisa data, it's okay too. Please don't skip i-advert. Please kodwa ngicela wenze nje nayi advice. Fika emsebenzini, uvulela uBongiwe Ndlovukazi, umbeke lapha ku YouTube efonini, ubuke wonke ama videos akhe while usebenza kwe computer. Yabona, uzobe ngithi mina ngiyakuzwa umsebenzi ukuthi unzima. Uzofile ngathi by the end uzothi liphela usuku usubuke wonke ama videos wami and usu right, you didn't feel like you were doing the most. Uyabona? So yikho kumele ubuka ama-advert, ungidlale, ungiyeke noma uclean endlini emini, uyashanela, hayibo, ushanela ngami, i-TV iyadlala, uBongiwe Ndlovukazi ngikulethela zona shisa kumamkopozi wakho Dumo, and ngithola okuncane nawe uthola i-message, because the whole point is ukuthi sithola ama-message. Right? Nginethanda hore, nginethanda rato, nginethanda ngothando lolu lo laKwaZulu, ngesikhathi amaZulu esuka ehamba eEastern Cape eyosiza osisi nobhuti bethu. Nginethanda ngaleyo ndlela. You understand? Yeah. Ngiyathanda nonke around the world. Nginethanda from South Africa to Zimbabwe to Botswana to Nigeria. Bye-bye.